Okay, big news coming in. There is relief for Arvind Kejriwal. He has been granted bail in the money laundering case related to the Delhi liquor policy. So this was a judgment that had been reserved by the court in the afternoon today, and it's out now. Big relief for Arvind Kejriwal. After all of these days, he has been granted bail in the money laundering case. Let's get more details from Madhav, joining us live now from the newsroom. Madhav, what are the conditions? What more details do we have of this bail?
Well, at this moment, the conditions haven't yet come out. The bail bonds will have to be furnished, as we all know, is a procedural requirement. But at this point of time, in fact, while the court has granted bail to Arvind Kejriwal, and remember specifically, this is the ED case in which he has been granted bail. In the CBI case, he has yet not been arrested, and therefore he will walk out if this order does, come out in the written form, as it has been orally announced right now in the courtroom. Because we understand that the Enforcement Directorate, after this order has been pronounced, has been making a submission inside the court requesting that the court put this order in abeyance. The judge has said that the order will be uploaded by tomorrow, and the judge says that they will note the objection of the Enforcement Directorate in the court's order as well. So this is our reporter on ground, Rame, who has put, in fact, these details out. He also says that the bail bond is of 1 lakh rupees for Arvind Kejriwal. We will be getting more details in terms of the implications of this massive relief coming in for the Delhi Chief Minister. Remember that he has been behind bars and, in fact, was out campaigning for about 3 weeks in the peak of the entire Lok Sabha election. He returned later, of course, earlier this month, back to the Tihar jail, and within the span of about 10 days has now come out again, is what we understand. A little over 10 days is what we understand. So big development that is coming in at this point of time. Arvind Kejriwal, and remember, the Aam Aadmi Party had been very insistent that the case against Arvind Kejriwal, they have time and again said, is one that does not hold or will not hold, in a court of law, because it was their argument that there is no evidence to nail the Chief Minister of Delhi, in this case Arvind Kejriwal. Of course, the Enforcement Directorate, the CBI have all time and again talked about the role. Arvind Kejriwal has even called the quote-unquote kingpin of this entire Liquorgate scam that has allegedly taken place, and that's the stand as far as the agencies are concerned. But this is a huge development coming in at this point of time with Arvind Kejriwal being granted bail. We will, of course, get more details coming in from the courts and, of course, our reporters who have been covering these entire matters. Back to you, Padmaja.
All right, so 1 lakh bail bond is what he has to furnish. He, remember, had been given bail earlier in order to campaign for the Lok Sabha elections. On the first, he went back, and 19 days later, he has been granted bail. Bhavtosh is also joining us live. Bhavtosh, what more details can you give us?
Well, as far as the Enforcement Directorate is concerned, Padmaja, it's a very big setback. Now one has to wait and see whether this will be challenged in the higher court by the Enforcement Directorate. It was a hearing that went on for 2 days, and in an order that has just been given by the trial court, he has been given regular bail. He has not been arrested in by any other agency, has not been arrested or even questioned. He was questioned once by the Central Bureau of Investigation, but as a witness. So what it means is that he can walk out if the Delhi High Court does not put a stay on his arrest. So it's a very big setback for the Enforcement Directorate, but at the same time, a huge relief for Arvind Kejriwal, as you rightly said, that he was given an interim bail by the Supreme Court, and he was asked to surrender on 2nd of June. In between, he had also asked the Supreme Court that his interim bail should be extended because he has to undergo some medical checkup, which was denied by the Supreme Court. But in a massive development that has taken place in the alleged excise scam, a trial court has now given interim bail. It has given a regular bail to the...
Okay, I'm sorry to interrupt you for just a second. We've got Sushil Gupta, leader of the Aam Aadmi Party, joining us now. Mr. Gupta, your first reaction, Arvind Kejriwal being granted bail by the Rouse Avenue Court in the money laundering case.
से पहले मैं देशवासियों को बधाई देता हूं। सत्य की जीत हुई है। न्याय प्रणाली पे हमेशा आम आदमी पार्टी ने पूरा भरोसा रखा है। अरविंद जी चुनाव के दौरान सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने भी उनको इंटरिम बेल दी थी। तय समय पे वो दोबारा जेल में गए, बिना चेहरे पे एक शिकन लिए हुए, देश के लिए, देश की भलाई के लिए हमेशा वो काम करते रहे। आज उनको जो बेल मिली है, मैं न्यायालय के फैसले का स्वागत करता हूं और समस्त देशवासियों को बधाई देता हूं कि एक ऐसे मुख्यमंत्री जिन्होंने विकसित भारत का सपना देखा, जिन्होंने शिक्षित भारत का सपना देखा और उस रास्ते पर काम किया, आज वो न्याय की लड़ाई लड़ते हुए जेल के ताले तोड़ के बाहर आ गए।
आपके खुद के लिए उन्होंने कैंपेन भी किया था लोकसभा चुनाव में, जब उनको बेल मिली थी, बाहर आके कुरुक्षेत्र में आपके लिए कैंपेन किया था और वहीं से उन्होंने कहा भी था कि मेरे को जेल में रखा गया है क्योंकि मैं डर गई, क्योंकि सरकार मुझसे डर गई है। पर बहुत गंभीर आरोप उनके खिलाफ लगाए थे एनफोर्समेंट डायरेक्टरेट ने। आज बेल को आप एक विंडिकेशन की तरह देख रहे हैं। लोग तो ये भी कहेंगे कि सिर्फ बेल ही मिली है, कोई क्लीन चिट नहीं मिली है।
देखिए, क्लीन चिट भी मिलेगी, बेल भी मिली है। आज तक 25 पैसे कहीं से भारतीय जनता पार्टी रिकवर नहीं कर पाई, ना ही कोई मनी ट्रेल ले पाई। जबरदस्ती आम आदमी पार्टी के नेताओं को अंदर करना, इसकी व्यवस्था को बदलना उनकी एक आदत बन गई थी और इसके ऊपर न्याय व्यवस्था ने करारा तमाचा दिया।
Mr. Gupta, please stay on with me because we also have Mr. Nalin Kohli of the BJP joining us now. Sushil Gupta of the Aam Aadmi Party saying जेल के ताले टूटेंगे, क्लीन चिट अगली मिलने वाली है उनको। Mr. Kohli.
Kejriwal is getting bail. He still is an accused. So I don't know what is the cause of celebration. Either he has to be exonerated from the court. I mean, in any case, the legal process is such. Everyone can apply for bail before the Honorable Court. He has applied several times, got so several times. His colleagues are still in jail for over a year. That means the evidence is such that the courts are not granting them bail. But the fact of the matter is, Mr. Kejriwal is an accused in a criminal case. A case involving a liquor scam, involving allegations of procedure not being followed, for allegations of money having exchanged hands, certain parties having benefited. So all of that is a serious issue. Bail is only a small part of it.
Okay.
If Mr. Kejriwal gets exonerated, he can't claim and say I'm celebrated and bail means I've now become innocent. The fact of the matter is Mr. Kejriwal will continue to face the legal consequences of the charge sheet if it is filed. And if a charge sheet is filed, it's filed.
Okay, he will continue to face the legal consequences. However, today we had the ED special counsel who had prayed for a stay of the order till the probe agency exercises legal remedies. The court did not grant you a stay. And the vacation bench went ahead and gave him the bail.
So, Padmaja, I'll put it in a different way. As a practicing lawyer, I'm in court every day. And obviously, you put out your arguments. It's finally the court which will accept one argument, decide whether it is not. It's not a victory or a defeat. It's part of the process. And this is only an interim order. In that sense, it's one small part of the total challenges that Mr. Kejriwal has to overcome. So if Mr. Kejriwal is delighted or his legal team is delighted on bail, they are entitled to be. But if they are delighted that this means that he's exonerated, then, it's a mistaken celebration because he is an accused. And if a charge sheet is filed, he is going to face trial.
Okay.
And perhaps since we are speaking on Mr. Kejriwal, now that he's coming out of jail, he perhaps might wish to share his own video of his speech with his water resources minister and other officials. But he himself famously said that Delhi mein pani ki kami nahi hai, tanker mafia hai.
Okay.
And he has, the BJP has tweeted it also. So perhaps, that video he can see it and be reminded about the fact, instead of blaming other states, etc., that his famous speech, he only has to implement what he himself said he would implement.
All right. We will wait for the order to be uploaded to see on what grounds this bail has been granted. But right now, massive relief for Arvind Kejriwal. Bhavtosh, thanks very much for joining us. We will, in fact, get more details of this ahead also for our viewers. The other